Hi guys! Tonight is one of those nights where the house is a little messy, but I want to start tomorrow fresh. We're not deep cleaning, we're just doing a little late night reset so the morning feels calm, especially since we've got family coming over, so let's do this. Before I dive into cleaning, I like to make it feel a little special, so I'm starting with a warm cup of tea. I find that it just sets the tone, makes the whole thing feel more relaxing. And I obviously got my music going on and my comfy clothes on, and I'm just so ready to attack this whole place that is just a little messy. I always start in the kitchen because once that's clean, everything feels 10 times better. And first off, it's the dishes. It's really not my favorite. It's actually the worst thing that I want to do, but it's super satisfying once it's done, and it just makes you want to do all the rest. It's always the longest, and I start with the dishwasher so then I can start it, and in the morning then I can take it off and everything is going to be clean. I hand wash some of the utensils, the pans and everything that I have in my sink, and then I end up just washing the entire sink with some nice soapy water to make everything feel fresh. Then I decide to wipe down the counters using my favorite cleaner ever, and it is Nellie's 99. It's non-toxic, safe, and smells so clean. I literally use it on everything, in the sink, on the counter, on pretty much everything, really. Now for the stove. This is weirdly my favorite part, and I use my Scrub Mummy with the Scrub Daddy Power Paste, and let me tell you, watching all that gunk come off, it's like an instant gratification. It's so satisfying, especially after the foam is all on there and then you wipe bit by bit. You can see all the gunk and everything coming off. It's just so nice. And obviously before finishing my counters, there's a quick tea break because we earned it, and honestly, taking small breaks during cleaning makes it feel less like a chore and more like a vibe. Now onto the dining room. I'm organizing the table because there are so many things on the table. It's crazy how many things we just leave everywhere. It's just too much sometimes. So that's what we do. And after organizing the table, I'm wiping it down with the Nellie's 99 again because obviously she's the star of everything tonight. I just clean everything with it, and I love these Swedish dishcloth. They are absolutely amazing. I also can put them in the dishwasher, so it's kind of crazy, and it just works so well. And then I deodorize the chairs too because you'd be surprised what kind of smell sneaks up on those. And you guys, I just received my new flowers from Forever Roses, and I'm obviously obsessed. These are from their Black Velvet collection in the color Ivory, and honestly, they're just so elegant. They smell incredible, like not fake or overpowering. They just clean and soft, and they instantly elevate any space. You can see even on the table, it looks really amazing, and the color fits with pretty much everything with all the decor that's all around. They look stunning next to other decor and literally work anywhere, and that's why I decided to put it on the dining table because it just looks so great. It can also go in your entryway, your bedroom, your living room. I mean, look at this with everything around it. It just looks beautiful. And I also love how they make the whole space feel more intentional and pretty without needing to fuss over them. Like, they're not overpowering the room. It's just elevating it. And because they last forever, like actually forever, they're such a thoughtful gift, especially with Mother's Day coming up, for birthdays, for weddings, or honestly just treating yourself. I love that they kind of immortalize a memory, you know? It's super low maintenance, super luxe, and I've linked them down below for you in the description box if you want to check them out, because they are just so beautiful, and you don't really need to buy more flowers anymore because you have one set of them and they just look incredible. over time. Putting back the chairs, and we're doing a little dancing before the broom time. And sweeping late at night, it always turns into a little dance break, because why not? Anyone else feel like they're a sim when you're doing chores like this? Like, look at that. This is crazy. I look like the Sims 4 straight out of the game. It's just vibing with my broom like I'm in a video game. Hey. And now I'm just gonna be mopping the floor, and I absolutely love the steam mops because of how low tox it is. It's perfect for homes with pets or kids, and also super satisfying to watch the floors come back to life. And it smells pretty great too, considering it's only, you know, steam and water. It's just insane. And obviously you want to put back the curtains properly so it looks pretty well put together. And in the hallway, I'm just picking up some toys, giving a quick sweep everywhere, and then I'm going to be mopping as well, just a little touch up to keep everything tidy and free of dust when you're walking on your bare feet. A little bathroom next, just a little refresh. I like to spray the counters and the toilet with the Nellie's 99, giving it a quick wipe. And obviously I'm gonna do the broom and mop the floor super fast, but that just makes a huge difference both in how your house smells and how it looks overall, and how it feels as well. Almost done. It's living room time. I'm obviously picking up all the toys that is on the floor because there's a lot. Honestly, I think it's too much, but anyways, sometimes it's just too much. And then I'm gonna remove the pillows and then spray the couch to deodorize it with the Nellie's 99, and I swear by it. It just makes everything smell so much better. And I know I'm talking a lot about the Nellie's 99, but I've been using it every day ever since I got it. And I also like to put back the curtains because sometimes, you know, they end up everywhere. So putting them up is easier. And I'm fluffing out the pillows to make everything look cozy and cute. Then I do a quick vacuum of the carpet using my Dirt Devil vacuum, and it picks up the dust enough. I'm probably gonna have to buy a new one, to be honest, just because sometimes it's not that great. And of course, I finish it off with my fave touch, the LED light behind the TV. It just adds a perfect cozy aesthetic vibe before bed. Then I end up with the entrance, put everything back in its place, Kitty Khaleesi saying hello, and now the house is finally clean. Tomorrow's gonna feel so smooth and I can finally relax. It feels so much better. You can go to bed, not think about all the mess that you have to take care of the next morning. And obviously I'm gonna do more videos like this, so don't forget to like and subscribe for more chill clean with me content, and let me know in the comments that do you clean at night too, or do you do it during the day? And that's it. Thank you so much guys for watching. I really hope that you enjoyed this content, and if you want to see more like this, make sure to tell me down below, and we'll see each other in the next one. Bye.